Good morning children, this is class 5th EVS book. Let's do further explanation of lesson 8, the shelter. We have learned about the importance of shelter, types of shelter, group living, origin of group living, localities in neighborhood, homeless people. Now let us know about losing home due to disaster. A disaster is a serious problem occurring over a short or long period of time that causes widespread human, material, economic, or environmental loss, which exceed the ability of the affected community or society to cope using its own resources. Many people become homeless when their homes are destroyed due to natural and man-made disasters such as floods, earthquakes, cyclone, fire, storms and lightning. Let us learn about some of these disasters and the damage they can cause. Floods. Many people, including animals, are affected by the flood. Floods affect our expensive disaster and rebuilding an area devastated by flood. Earthquake can collapse bridges, cause both landslides and avalanches, and damage roads, making them impassable. A large number of people may get trapped under the debris, sustain injury, or may even die. Storms and cyclones, typhoons and hurricanes affect dozens of countries around the world. Losses of life and materials damage are significant due to strong wind, heavy rain, large swells and strong surges. Cyclone can be very destructive and can cause widespread damage to life and property in coastal areas. Fire is another disaster that can cause great damage to life and property. Most of the time of fire is caused due to our negligence. Forest fire can also be caused by lightning. Never try to play with fire as it can be very dangerous. In case of an emergency, remember to dial 100 to call police, 101 to call fire brigade and 102 to call ambulance. Lighting is a stroke of electricity that is produced between two clouds or a cloud and the ground. The latter one may sometimes prove dangerous as it may strike houses, trees, men or animals on the ground. Each year, a number of houses are burned down due to lightning strokes. We can save our houses from being struck by lightning by installing tall lightning conductors on the roof of our houses.